Hi everyone, this is Cindy Plant the Heart, and I am here with a haul. So I'm going to start off with the Studio L2E, and I only got one thing from them, and that is this super cute Wizard Life stamp set, which I think is just adorable. And then it came with a free gift, which is this super cute Hogwarts supplies little pockets with some little bows and really cute little stickers that it came with. So loving that. Just love that little pocket. I think it's so cute, which I'm sure I can make my own little pocket because it looks like it was printed on vellum and then, but what a hassle. So I love that someone made one and it's super cute. So that is from Studio L2E. And then Spellbinders had it up to, I remember 70% or 80%. I didn't buy a lot from them, but just to give you an idea of the prices. So this one right here, I want to say that this normally is $30. And this is the mini tag book. It's Tammy Tutoro mini tag book, Happy Grams. And it makes a cute little tag book. So I got that one, and I paid $9.99 for it. And then there's this one, which is the waterfall dies. So it makes these waterfalls, which you could just use as tags, I'm sure. These are $6.99. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but they were definitely in the 70 or 80% off realm. And then I got these, which are the Delight Camping etched dies for $4.99. So you get quite a few dies in here. You get 2 trees, a tent, a moon, and a couple of stars for that price, which is very good price. And then I got this one, which is these feathers. And so I don't buy a lot of the larger dies because of space, but I did get this one because I really like the size of this. And those were $6.60, and they were normally quite a bit more. So that was quite a deal. Very happy with that purchase. So then the next thing was I did go to Tuesday Morning, and I bought a lot more than I really wanted to buy. But usually when I go to Tuesday Morning, everything has been picked over. Now I did find these Tim Holtz mini blueprints, and I really wanted the school one, but that one of course was not there. So these are $4.99, and they're the Stampers Anonymous blueprints, and they're the mini. So he has ones that are bigger of the same exact stamps. So these were, let's see, this is what they look like. And I was looking to see if there was a name on this one, but I don't. This is called Vintage Things. Typewriter and a phone and an alarm clock and a fan. Well, I guess they're all vintage. This one is called Mariner. Has the crab and the rope and this captain's wheel thing and an anchor, which seemed to go really well with this one, which is called Nautical. This one right here, which has a couple of shells and the seahorse and the starfish. And then this one, which has, it's called Travel, and camera and this airmail stamp and the globe. So very cute. $4.99, thought really good deal. So the next thing I want to show you is some Dilutions stuff, which I thought was a really good bargain. For one thing, I saw these in Michael's. I saw this one and the star one in Michael's today for $17.99, and these are $4.99. So these are the stamps, and they also come with a stencil. Okay, so here's this one. This is $4.99. I really like these stars. This one I was really not completely sure of. I liked the bird and this and the tree. I guess I'll play around with that. But I really wanted the stencil, and they had something like it already. It was $1.50 for the stencil, but for $5 I get all these stamps too. So it made sense. So that was a good deal in my opinion. And then I really, really wanted this one. I don't even know if I have it, because I might have it. If I do, it's going to go in my D-stash. And that's this one right here. I really, really wanted this one bad. So I might already have this one. And then I've got this stencil. So I'll look and see. If I have any of these, then they will go in a D-stash box I'm going to be posting very soon. Okay, then the other things are the 5x8 stencils. I don't know, these come with various little pieces that you can, the inside pieces I think you also get on top of the actual stencil piece. And these are $1.49. I got that one, and I got the small arrows for $1.49. And then this was a really good deal because this is $16.99. And to have it already in Tuesday morning for $5.99 is really quite lovely. So you get all of these that you can color, and you can put in whatever it is you want to do, whether it's your journal, your diary, your art journal, whatever. That's there for $5.99, which I thought was a really, really good deal. So a couple miscellaneous things that I got, which I always get when I go there because I think these are always a good deal, and that is stickles. So these are all 99 cents, and this is Grape Crush, Starry Night, Neon Flamingo, Pine, and Cinnamon. So those are all ones that, I mean, you could definitely use. I don't tend to buy too much washi when I go there, but certain ones I'll buy if it catches my eye. So I really liked this Carpe Diem washi. It's called Grace, which is my mother's name, actually. I just loved the blue floral. And then this one is a Carpe Diem, but it's from the emoji line, which I love. Love, love, love the emoji line. So, oh my God, yes. LOL, love, ha ha ha. Awesome. Super cute. So I got those, which I thought was a good deal. And then a couple other miscellaneous things, just a few more things that I got. And they have quite a bit of things I probably could have gotten if I felt like it. I got these page flags because they were in this sort of theme, because I really need to start working on some Disney stuff. So I got these clips. These were $1.99. And then I got the Carpe Diem notebook. So I'm going to have to see what size this journal is and see if I can create a notebook holder or something, all around this particular journal. And then lastly, they had a couple Happy Planner things, but I had some Happy Planner big sticker book things that I have not worked through yet, so I didn't want to buy them. So I did buy this one because it's small and it was a little bit more specific. So this is on on meals. Looks like it's on meals and meal planning and that sort of thing. So that's why I went with this one, because that's always, always useful. So that is my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.